Nouns, verbs, we'll talk about noun, verb, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, postpositions. Like in English, what is called preposition is called postposition in Odia. And conjunctions, classifiers, interjections, and word order of the sentence. Okay, do you know that Odia is a classical language and Odia became a classical language in 2014? And the major word classes found in Odia are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, postposition, and certain minor categories are also available like classifier, complementizer, and conjunctions. So you can see an overview of Odia grammar. What are the key elements of Odia grammar? Noun, verb, adjective, and the translation you see in Odia. I'm not sure how far it is true, but you can see this. Nouns, karta, sangya, verb, kriya, vishesha, adjective visheshana, kriya visheshana, sarvanama, sampratyar, अव्यय, संयोजक, विस्मय सूचक, विचलन. Okay. Then we talk about nouns first. So a noun is a word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. So we have a proper noun. Proper noun is specific names. We tell a name, Odisha, Kolahandi, Ramesh. So all these are proper nouns. What we call a name is a proper noun. And common noun is general items.
Madam, your screen is not moving. Maybe you can,
Not
uh,
moving?
yeah, you can move to next. Yeah, just still it is in page slide one. Maybe you can move.
Okay. Okay, do you see it now?
Yeah, yeah. Now it is fine. You
Okay.
can continue.
Okay. So page 1 to page 2, it didn't go. Page 2.
Yeah, now it is moving.
Now it's moving. Okay. Word classes are these. And all these all these items we find in all these categories we find in Odia grammar. So first, let me tell you about the nouns first. So we have a proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, and concrete noun. So proper nouns are specific names, names of a place, names of a person, names of a brand. So all these are specific names. Common nouns are available, the common items. Gocho, ଧାନ ଗଛ, ମୁଗ ଗଛ, ନଡିଆ ଗଛ, ସେଇ ସବୁ ଗଛ ଗୁଡାକ ଗୋଟେ ହବ ପ୍ରଧାନ ସଂଜ୍ଞା, କମନ ନାଉନ୍. ଦେନ୍ ଗାଡି ହେଲା, ଗାଡି, ସ୍କୁଟର, ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ, ଟ୍ରେନ, ବସ୍, କାର, ସବୁ ହେଲା ଗାଡି. ତେଣୁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ହେଲା କମନ ନାଉନ୍. ଦେନ୍ abstract noun is concept, idea or concept. So I have not given the this thing here. English translated it. Samvedhana, bhavana, thought, process, all these belief. So all these are abstract nouns. And concrete nouns, what we can see. Book, house, all these are concrete nouns. Okay, so we can see the example of nouns, common noun. Oh, you can see the English words here: house, laptop, and dog, city, city, book, vehicle. So house means it can be a building, it can be a thatched house, it can be a asbestos house. So all these are houses. Laptop can be HP, can be Windows or something. And proper noun, Rama, Mahanadi, Amazon. These are Bhubaneswar is also a noun, proper noun.
I think, madam, you are in PPT 6. Yeah.
PPT 6.
Yeah. Can you? Yeah. Now it is fine.
Now it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Because when I go to the other mode, it becomes it's not available. It's moving now. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun. Okay. I'm in 7.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it is fine.
Now it's fine. Okay. So nouns are like this. Proper noun. Proper noun. We are talking about that. Rama, Hari, Mahanadi, Amazon. So it's the proper noun. Abstract noun: love, hope, faith, truth, happiness, freedom, love, strength. And all these are proper nouns. No, abstract noun. And concrete nouns, what we can see, what we can touch. And these are dogs, school, apple. Apple is a fruit, not a computer apple. Apple, chairs, whatever we can see, that is a concrete noun. And countable nouns, what we can count. Book, books, which has a plural form. Book, books, car, cars, guava, guavas, orange, oranges. So all these are countable nouns, what we can count. And uncountable nouns: water, sand, milk, advice. So all these things we cannot count. Water, we can say a mug of water, but that is countable. But we can't say water is water is uncountable because we can't count it. Sand, milk, all these are uncountable nouns. And collective nouns is group, team, family, class, all these are office. So all these are collective nouns. We can share it. We can, the collective nouns means those who are together, collectively together. So those are collective nouns. And possessive nouns: ମୋର, ତୋର, ବାପାଙ୍କ ଚଷମା, ବାପାଙ୍କର, ତେଣୁ ସାରଙ୍କର ଟେବଲ. So all these are possessive nouns. Compound nouns: those nouns are together. Library, ବହି, ମହାନଦୀ, ମାଛ, ଚିଙ୍ଗୁଡ଼ି, ଶୁଖୁଆ. I haven't given the translation for this. Library, book, Mahanadi, fish, chingdi, sukhwa, prawn, fish. So all these are given. Gerundive nouns. Gerundives are iba. Those are nouns formed by adding suffix iba. Iba is ing, ing form in English. So we can add iba. Daudiba, pohoriba, podhiba. So swimming is a good exercise. So that is a gerundive. Pohoriba. So noun phrases: a glass of water, 2 sacks of rice. So the phrase means it takes everything together. Determiner, adjectives, quantifier, all those things together. A glass of water. Article, a glass of, that is uh, quantifier, and water. 2 sacks of rice, the classifier. 2 is a numeral and sacks is a classifier and rice is a noun. An intelligent qualitative king. So intelligent and qualitative both are adjectives, and king, it refers to the king. And from the rooftop of that building, like କୋଠା ଘର ଛାତରୁ, so it's a, the case marking is there, but we can say that କୋଠା ଘର is a compound noun, and କୋଠା ଘର ଛାତ, କୋଠା ଘର is a single word, and କୋଠା ଘର building, ଛାତରୁ, we can mark case here so that it's a from the rooftop of that building. So preposition becomes postposition. So of that building, Chataru, from the rooftop of that building, this is a preposition. From is preposition, and ru is postposition. So all that is available. The case morphemes in Odia. While we attach case in Odia, so we can attach case to the singular noun as well as a plural noun. And case is nominative, accusative, instrumental, dative, ablative, genitive, locative, and vocative case. So nominative is karta karaka, accusative karma karaka, instrumental karana karaka, dative sampradana karaka, ablative apadana karaka, genitive sambandha pada, and locative adhikarana karaka, and vocative sambodhana pada. So we can have singular as well as plural. We can attach case. In Odia, singular nouns are not attached to nominative case, but plural can be attached a. Pilae, pile. So we can attach the plural case, and accusative is ku. Ku, mananku. Plural is in ku, mananku. So taku, pilamananku. So ku, mananku, sabu we can attach the plural mark with the plural nouns. We can attach case. Instrumental, re dwara dei. Mo dwara eita habani. Mo dei eita habani. Tenu ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏଇଟା ହବନି. ତେଣୁ plural, so we can attach the case marking to the singular as well as a plural case. And dative is the same as accusative. We can't distinguish between them. Ku, mananku. And ablative is ru, tharu. Mo ଠାରୁ ସେ ପଇସା ନେଇଛି. ତୁମ ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ସେ ପଇସା ନେଇଛି. ତେଣୁ so that we can have ablative case ru, tharu, ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ. And genitive ro. Genitive is ro, ମୋର, ତାର, ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର. So we can attach ro here. ରେ, ଠାରେ. ପିଲା ଠାରେ, ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ, କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି ଠାରେ. ତେଣୁ so we can attach ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରେ. So ରାଜ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରେ. So we can attach this locative case. And vocative is he, bho. It doesn't have a plural. He, Brahman, and bho, Ayushman. So all that we can add. Then we have finished with noun, and we please ask me if you have any doubt in this. Then we move to verb. Any doubt you can ask me in between.
No, ma'am.
Stop me and ask. Okay, then we should start with verb. A verb expresses an action or state of being. Types of verb: action verb, physical action verb and mental action verb. Khaiba, lekhiba, chaliba, play, run, all these are physical action verb. And mental action verb, think, believe, understand, imagine. All these things are mental action verb. So linking verb or modal verb, it's usually ମୋର ଭାରତର ଉତ୍ତରରେ ହିମାଳୟ ଅଛି ଅଟେ ତେଣୁ so that the common linking verb is modal verb ଅଛି ଅଟେ ଥିଲେ ଥାନ୍ତେ would have been ପାରିବା can ସେ ଅଛି ତୁମେ ଥିଲ all these are modal verbs or linking verbs. Okay. Then transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive has two types of transitive verbs, monotransitive and ditransitive. So monotransitive is which has a in the verb which can take a object. That is monotransitive. One object is monotransitive, two objects are ditransitive. So the verb which can take a object, she kicked the ball. What did she kick? So kick the ball is the object. So kick is a monotransitive verb. I eat rice. So that it can take a verb, it can take a object, the rice. Bring, send, write, all this. I wrote a letter. So the a letter is the object of write, so that it can take a object. That's the monotransitive. Ditransitive require two objects. Give. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗିଫ୍ଟ ଗୋଟିଏ ଉପହାର ଦେଲି ଗୋଟିଏ ଉପହାର ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଦିଟା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ରହିଲା so that ତାକୁ ହେଲା indirect object and ଗୋଟିଏ ଉପହାର ହେଲା ଗୋଟିଏ ବହି ଦେଲି ସେଇଟା ହେଲା ଗୋଟିଏ direct object and ପଠାଇବା ମୁଁ ତା ପାଖକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପଠେଇଲି ଗୋଟେ ବହି ପଠେଇଲି ମୁଁ ତା ପାଖକୁ ମାନେ indirect object and direct object both are together. ଦେଖାଇବା ଶିଖାଇବା like that ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ କାଉ ଦେଖେଇଲି to show is ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାଉ ସେଇ ଦିଟା ହେଲା indirect object ତାକୁ ହେଲା indirect object ଆଉ କାଉ ହେଲା direct object ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ଏମିତି ହୁଏ transitive verb and ditransitive verb monotransitive and ditransitive verb and the basic structure is subject verb and in between comes the io and do indirect object and direct object but it can move together in certain cases do can come after subject and io can go to the do position so the positions can change and that is in the sentence that is the structure and intransitive verbs those verbs which do not require a direct object so without requiring a direct object it can complete their meanings and ଶୁଏ ଯାଏ ହସେ ଦୌଡେ କାନ୍ଦେ she sleeps what she sleep doesn't require any verb any she sleep doesn't require any object so that the verb sleeps doesn't need an object so ଦୌଡେ କାନ୍ଦେ ହସେ ପହଞ୍ଚେ ମୁଁ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲି ମୁଁ କୋଉଠି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲି ମୁଁ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲି ତେଣୁ ତାର object ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ so without object it can be intransitive and causative verbs ମୁଁ ଛୁଆଟିକୁ ପୋଷାକ ପିନ୍ଧେଇଲି ମୁଁ I make somebody to I cause somebody to do this ମୁଁ ଛୁଆଟିକୁ ପୋଷାକ ପିନ୍ଧାଇଲି She made him cry. She caused him to cry. So it's a causation. Cause is necessary. I had my car washed. I caused the car to be washed. Washed by somebody. So that it's a causative. We cause something to cause somebody to do something. And conditionals. ଯଦି ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଫୋନ କରେ ତାହେଲେ ଜାଣିବ ଯେ ଗାଡିଟା ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ଅଛି। ଯଦି ଆଉ ତାହେଲେ ସେଇ ଦିଟା ଯାକ କଣ୍ଡିସନାଲ। ଯଦି ମନେକର ତାହେଲେ ମନେକର ମୋର ସ୍କୁଲ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଡେରି ହେଲା ତାହେଲେ ସେମାନେ କଣ ମତେ ଫାଇନ କରିବେ? କଷ୍ଟ କଲେ କୃଷ୍ଣ ମିଳେ ସେଗୁଡାକ। ତେଣୁ ଯଦି ତାହେଲେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମନେକର ମଧ୍ୟ ମନେକର କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଟେକ୍ ତାହେଲେ and କଷ୍ଟ କଲେ ଇଲେ suffix here can take is conditional. Then we come to light verbs. Light verbs means tu asija. Asijao means come and go. So really doesn't mean anything, but we use it in Odia. Tu asija means ଘର ଭିତରକୁ ଆସିଯା. So we can say that ମୋ ହାତରୁ ସବୁ ପଇସା ସରି ଆସିଲା. Finish and come. It doesn't mean that finish come and a linking verb ସରି ଆସିଲା. ଖାଇ ଚାଲିଛି ଖାଇ ଆଉ ଚାଲିଛି. ଦିଟା here two verbs are together. One is the main verb ଖାଇ and ଚାଲିଛି is the auxiliary verb. So ବଳି ପଡିଲା, ବହୁତ ଗୁଡାଏ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ବଳି ପଡିଲା.
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଚାଲ ଖାଇବା, ତାର କେମିତି ହବ?
ଚାଲ ଖାଇବା ସେଇଟା ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ ନୁହେଁ। ଗୋଟିଏ ହେଲା ଚାଲ, ଆସ ଖାଇବା, ଚାଲ ଖାଇବା। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଗୁଡାକ ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ହେଲା ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ। ସେଇଟା ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ ନୁହେଁ। ଆସିଯାଅ, ଘର ଭିତରକୁ ଆସିଯାଅ ହେଲା ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ। ଆସ ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ and ଯାଅ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ। ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ଅଛି ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବରେ। ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବର ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଛି। ବସ, ରହ, କହି ବସିଲା, ସେ କଥାଟାକୁ କହି ବସିଲା, କରି ବସିଲା, ସେ କାମଟିକୁ କରି ବସିଲା, ଖାଇ ବସିଲା, ଖାଇ ବସିଛି ବସିଲା, ଧରି ବସିଲା। ତେଣୁ ସେଗୁଡାକ ବସ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ ହେଇପାରୁଛି। ବସି ରହଟା ବୋଲେ ବସି ରହିଛି, ଲାଗି ରହିଛି, ଶୋଇ ରହିଛି, ପଡି ରହିଛି। All these things are together. ରହିଛି ଯେ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଭର୍ବ, ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ ହେଲା ବସି, ଲାଗି, ଶୋଇ, ପଡି। Main verb, light verb can come together. And more examples are there. ଆସିଯା, go verb ଯା, ଆସିଯାଅ, ନେଇଯାଅ, ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା, ରହିଗଲା। ଯାର past tense ଗଲା, go went. So ଗଲା is ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା, ନେଇଯାଅ, ରହିଗଲା। ସେଗୁଡାକ ସବୁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି। ଆଉ ଚାଲ walk, ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଛି, ନେଇ ଚାଲିଛି, ଖାଇ ଚାଲିଛି, ପିଇ ଚାଲିଛି। All these things are possible. fall, ଶୋଇ ପଡିଲା, ଉଠି ପଡିଲା, ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପଡିଲା, ବଳି ପଡିଲା। drop, ପକା, ହସି ପକାଇଲା, କୁଣ୍ଢାଇ ପକାଇଲା, ଧରି ପକାଇଲା, ଲଗେଇ ପକେଇଲା। rise, ହସି ଉଠିଲା, ଭାସି ଉଠିଲା, ଜଳି ଉଠିଲା, ଫୁଟି ଉଠିଲା। and come, ଆସ, ନେଇ ଆସିଲା, ଦେଇ ଆସିଲା, ଭାସି ଆସିଲା, ଲିଭି ଆସିଲା। All these things are light verbs. So when we see the items, two verbs together, so we can call them light verbs. Verbal adjectives. ଉଡ଼ନ୍ତା ଚଢ଼େଇ, ଉଡ଼ନ୍ତା ଚଢ଼େଇ, ଉଡ଼ନ୍ତା ଚଢ଼େଇ। ଚଢ଼େଇ is a noun, verbal is flying. Verbal adjectives is flying. So flying bird, ଉଡ଼ନ୍ତା ଚଢ଼େଇ। उड़ंता को आमे कौन कहूचे? फ्लाइंग बर्ड, verbal adjective. फलंता गछ, जलंता कोइला, चलंता शगड़, जियंता माछ. All these things we can call verbal adjectives, and those are called from verbs. Those adjectives are formed from verbs. So उड़ंता माछ उड़ी जाई पारिबो, उड़ी जाई पारिबरु हला उड़ंता माछ, उड़ंता चढ़ई. So जियंता माछ जी पारिबो, मु जी जी अछि. मेन टा हला गोटे verb, मेन verb रु adjective टा तयारी हेछि. So the adjective is formed from the verb, so it's a verbal adjective. Verbal nouns. Verbal nouns also are possible. ଚାଷ, ଛାଡ଼, ଚାଷ, ମୁଁ ଚାଷ କରୁଛି, ସେ ବିଲରେ ଚାଷ କରୁଛି. ତେଣୁ ସେଇଟା ହେଲା verbal noun. ଚାଷ, ଛାଡ଼, ମାଜଣା, ମାଜଣା କରୁଛି can be a verb as well as a noun. verbal noun. ମାଜଣା କରୁଛି, ସେ ରଥରେ ମାଜଣା କରୁଛି. ରହଣି, ବିକା, ବାହୁଡା. ତେଣୁ ବାହୁଡା ଯାତ୍ରା ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ନାଉନ୍. ବାହୁଡା କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ନାଉନ୍ ହେଇପାରୁଛି. ଭର୍ବାଲ ନାଉନ୍ ଟା ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପାଉଣ୍ଡ ନାଉନ୍ ହେଇପାରୁଛି, ବାହୁଡା ଯାତ୍ରା. ତେଣୁ verb, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Acha, adjective. Adjectives, so we can adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Pronoun we haven't referred to, but we'll speak about it a little later. They add information about qualities, quantity, size, color, and other attributes. Adjectives of quality, गुणवाचक विशेषण. भल, big, भल, बड़, attractive, रंगीन, मसलायुक्त, लंबा, शुभ, लुणिया, खट्टा, सस्ता, बुढ़ा, खैरा. All these things are adjectives. And adjectives, if we can example, sundara jhiyo. Jhiyoti sundara ate. Adjectives can occur before the noun and after the noun. Sundara jhiyo, it can occur before the noun. Verbal or adjectives. Sundara jhiyo. Jhiyoti sundara ate. Jhiyoti, after the noun it can come. The girl is beautiful. Predicative adjective here. Jyoti sundara ate, the girl is beautiful. So sundara can occur after the noun. Okay, adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. The quantity of noun, ଅଧିକ, କମ, ଦୁଇଟି, ସମସ୍ତ, ଅଳ୍ପ, ମୋ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି. କିଛିଟା ହେଲା I have some money. Some money is the adjectives of quantity. Then adjectives of a number. First, second, third. प्रथम, द्वितीय, तृतीय. तेणु सेगुड़ाक हला adjectives of a number. एहा हमर प्रथम परीक्षा. एहा हमर तृतीय मीटिंग. तेणु सेई गुड़ाक हमर प्रथम adjective of a number. Demonstrative adjectives. एहा, सेहा, एही, सेही, एगुड़िक, सेगुड़िक. एगुड़ाक हला demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. And this house is mine. This house, this is a demonstrative adjective. And possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are mine, your, his, and her. So all these are possessive because my book means I am the owner of this. So ownership or possession. Interrogative adjectives, which, what. So all this which, what, which, केउ पुस्तक तुम्हारा पसंद, which book do you like. So which book is interrogative adjective. Okay. The order of adjectives matter in a sentence. So opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and noun. Before noun, all these things come together. A beautiful, small, old, round, red Italian leather handbag. ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଛୋଟ ପୁରୁଣା ଗୋଲ ଲାଲ ଇଟାଲୀୟ ଚମଡ଼ା ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡବ୍ୟାଗ. ସେଟା କରେକ୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ. ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ନୁହେଁ, ନାଉନ୍ ଫ୍ରେଜ୍. And placement of adjective, attributive position, ଏକ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ କୋଠରୀ. ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଆମେ ଯୋଉ କହିଥିଲେ ରୁମ୍ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆସୁଛି, ନାଉନ୍ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆସୁଛି ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍, ଆଉ ପ୍ରେଡିକେଟିଭ ଆଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟିଭ and a bright room, ଏକ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ କୋଠରୀ. ଉଜ୍ଜଳଟା ଆସିଛି କୋଠରୀ ପୂର୍ବରୁ and predicative position, କୋଠରୀ ଉଜ୍ଜଳ ଅଛି କୋଠରୀଟା ପରେ. The room is bright. So all these things are in a, like English, we can in Odia also it can adjectives can occur in attributive as well as predicative position. And like English, we have a positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Bruhat, bruhatara, bruhatama. Khyudra, khyudratama, khyudratara, khyudratama. So all these things are comparative, superlative degree are possible in Odia. Then adjectives and then adverbs. Kriya Visheshana. So adverbs are of 3 types. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, adverbs. Adverbs are of 3 types: time, place, manner. So time adverbs are aji, kali, pore, samayare. Place adjectives are ethare, sethare, bahare, nikotare. Manner adjectives are dhire, shighra, trutihina, flawlessly, slowly. All these things can be called adverbs. And pronouns. Now we come to pronouns. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, you know about personal pronoun, first person, second person, and third person. But personal pronoun, I, we are personal, first person. Second person we have honorific marker. Tu, tume, apana. Three pronouns are possible. Second person pronoun. And say, says, he, she, both are possible. Say. A possessive pronoun, more, my, tumara, your, his, her, tar. Tar means his or her. It can refer to both the genders. So all this is possible. Demonstrative pronoun, eha, taha, egudika, segudika. All these things are possible. Then I give you the pronouns, how many varieties. Personal pronoun I explained you. Personal, reflexive, mu nije karideli. Reciprocal, each other. Reciprocal, each other means so paraspara. ସେମାନେ ପରସ୍ପରକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କଲେ. relative pronoun I am going to tell you. ଯିଏ, ଯେଉଁ, ସିଏ, ଯିଏ, ଯେଉଁ ଝିଅଟି ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି ସେ ମୋର ଭଉଣୀ. Relative. And demonstrative, we have seen that demonstrative is eha, taha, eita, seita. Distributive is ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ, each and every. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲୋକ. We have each and every for both the words. We have a pratyeka. Pratyeka means distributive. Interrogative is kiye, kona, kaharo. ସେଗୁଡା କହିଲା interrogative pronoun. Correlative, ଯିଏ, ସିଏ, ଯାହାକୁ, ତାକୁ. The correlative is it correlates with something. The pronouns are correlate with something. ଯିଏ, ସିଏ, ଯାହାକୁ, ତାକୁ, universal. Universal is दुहे समस्त. Universal is pronoun. And existential pronoun is jone gote. So all these are existential pronoun. I'll explain you in detail more about it. Personal, I, you, he, she, they. And I, we also is there. Reflexive, nijo, apona, myself, yourself. It's not apona here. It's apona. Apona kamo ape karo. Nijo, apona. And reciprocal is porosporo. Porosporo semane porosporo को help kale. साहाଯ୍य kale. One another. And relative जिए जेऊ. Correlative जिए से जेऊ सेही who which that who she he or she. And किए interrogative is किए काहाकू काहारो किछि केही कोण केते. And quantitative quantifying and adjectival use is kete kede. Quantifying kete 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 maଛ ଅଛି kete ଭାତ ଅଛି ଆଉ କେଡେ ପିଲାଟେ. So how big? So the interrogative pronouns having adverbial use କେବେ କେଉଁଠାରେ କିପରି କେମିତି କେମିତି ହେଲା କେବେ ହେଲା କେଉଁଠାରେ ହେଲା what kind. So demonstrative is eha taha eguଡିକ ସେଗୁଡିକ. Distributive ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ. Universal ଦୁହେଁ ସମସ୍ତେ. Existential ଜଣେ ଗୋଟେ. So all these things are pronouns. We have many pronouns in Odia. So relative correlative I am giving the example of it. ଯିଏ ଆସିଥିଲେ ସେ ମୋ ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଅଟନ୍ତି. He who had come is my teacher. ଯିଏ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଯିଏ and ସେ the relative correlative. ଯେଉଁ ପୁଅ ଯେଉଁ ଝିଅକୁ ଦେଖିଲା ସେ ତାକୁ ପସନ୍ଦ କଲା. ଯେଉଁ ପୁଅ ଗୋଟେ noun phrase. So relative noun and ଯେଉଁ ଝିଅକୁ relative object. So ସେ ଯେଉଁ ପୁଅ ସେ. These are correlated. And ଯେଉଁ ଝିଅକୁ ତାକୁ. These are correlated. So that it can be correlative pronoun. ଯଦି କେହି କେତେବେଳେ କାହାକୁ କିଛି ମାଗେ ସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାକୁ ତାହା ଦେଇଦେବା ଉଚିତ. If somebody asks for something to somebody sometime, then she should give him or her that then. So it can be analyzed as follows. ଯଦି କେହି କେତେବେଳେ କାହାକୁ. ତମେ ଏଗୁଡାକ ଜାଣିଛ ଓଡିଆ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ରେ ଆସିବା କଥା. କେତେବେଳେ ଶୁଣିନ ନା ଏମିତିଆ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ନା ଶୁଣିଛ?
ଶୁଣିଛି ସେ.
ଶୁଣିଛ? ହଁ. ଏଗୁଡାକ ହେଲା. And relative pronoun have referentially dependent pronoun. ଯିଏ ସେ ଯାହାକୁ ତାକୁ ଯାହାର ତାର ଯେଉଁଠାରେ ସେଠାରେ ଯେମିତି ସେମିତି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଯେବେ ତେବେ ଯେପରି ସେପରି ଯେଉଁ ସେହି ଯେତେ ସେତେ ଯେଡେ ସେଡେ. ଯେଡେ ସେଡେ ତେଡେ ବି କୁହନ୍ତି. ତେଣୁ କୋଉ ପଟେ ସେଡେ କୁହନ୍ତି ତେଡେ କୁହନ୍ତି. ତେଣୁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ହେଲା correlative pronoun. And K words having J counterparts. Interrogative pronouns have J counterparts. କିଏ ଯିଏ କାହାକୁ ଯାହାକୁ କାହାର ଯାହାର କେଉଁଠାରେ ଯେଉଁଠାରେ କେମିତି ଯେମିତି କେତେବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କେବେ ଯେବେ କେହି କେହି ଜଣେ କିପରି ଯେପରି କେଉଁ ଯେଉଁ. So all these things are possible. Interrogative words have J counterparts and say counterparts. Then we come to postposition. Any problem in this pronouns?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, postpositions. किए कुहंती संप्रति किए कुहंती अव्यय. Postpositions are like it can occur after the noun So it's a noun or pronoun. So this is a preposition is a word used to link a noun or pronoun on other to other words in a sentence. ये linking word noun noun को link करिपारे मो उपरे गोटिए मो उपरे छात अछि मो तळे गोटिए चेयर अछि तेणु सेगुडाक inside भितरे बाहरे so more postpositions are available here परे करी निमित्ते पर्यंत पाई प्रति व्यतीत बिना बोली भितरे लागी सहिते these are postpositions in odia and conjunctions postpositions हेगला postposition रो भितरे किछि problem अछि any doubt
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
questions
नो
no okay conjunctions ହେଲା ଏବଂ ଓ ଆଉ I like rice and vegetables those are that joins words or phrases or clauses so that it can conjoin both the words sentences and phrases so ebong I like rice and vegetables and here is conjoining rice and vegetables but I want tea but not coffee I want tea but not coffee so that but is a conjunction or kimba oba othaba madhya tathapi all these are conjunctions in odia and classifiers are major words we can pilata is also a classifier pilatie achi tie ta tie pilati chali pilati soichi ତେଣୁ ଟା ଟି ଟାଏ ଟିଏ all those are possible classifiers topa di topa ରକ୍ତ 2 drop of blood ଦୁଇ ଟୋପା ରକ୍ତ 2 drops of blood and ଦୁଇ ଟୋପାକୁ ରକ୍ତ ଟୋପା ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଗୋଟେ ନାଉନ୍ ବୋଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ନାଉନ୍ ନୁହେଁ କାହିଁକି ନା ସେଥିରେ କେସ୍ ମାର୍କର ଆଡ୍ ହଉନି କାରକ ଟୋପାକୁ ରକ୍ତ ଦୁଇ ଟୋପାକୁ ରକ୍ତ ସେଇଟା ଭୁଲ ହଉଛି ତେଣୁ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଯେ ଦୁଇ ଟୋପା ରକ୍ତ ଦୁଇ ଟୋପାକୁ ରକ୍ତ ନୁହେଁ ଟୋପା ଇଜ ଏ କ୍ଲାସିଫାୟର मेजर वर्ड मुठा मुठाए चाउଳ ଗୋଛା ଗୋଛାଏ ଘାସ ଜଣ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ପିଲା ପଟ ଦୁଇ ପଟ ବ୍ରେଡ ଅସରା ଅସରାଏ ମେଘ ମେଞ୍ଚା ମେଞ୍ଚାଏ ଘାସ ବସ୍ତାଏ ଚାଉଳ ମୁଠା କେଜି ପଣ ପଣ you know ପଣ means 80 in the old traditional odia it was a ପଣ 80 मते गोटे पण मैंगो आंब देलु give me 80 mangoes so kg is also a major word and classifiers all these things are available in other languages of india classifiers are not available only odia bengali and assamese are classifiers available so all these any other languages we don't have any classifier okay correct you have any doubt
no ma'am
okay ପିଲା ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକଙ୍କୁ ଅପକର୍ମ ମାନ so while doing translation not translation while doing the analysis you check these words check these sentences while doing annotation you check these sentences ପିଲା ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକଙ୍କୁ ଅପକର୍ମ ମାନ so ପିଲା is child ଦୁଇଟା two number word and ta is classifier, jakonku quantifier, and ku is case to those two children. So you can annotate it like this. Apakarma mana. Apakarma is negative, deed is positive, deed is a noun and plural marker. So all these things you can annotate like this. And interjection. Interjections la bismay suchaka to express strong emotional reaction. Aha, dekho, oho. So all these are interjections. And now we finally come to word order. Word order is Rama bhakto khaye. Rama eats rice. So that in English it's different. We have SOV order, subject, object, and verb order. So in the word order is SOV in Odia, but in the lyrics it can be different. मिसी जाए जथा प्रभाती तारा रवि किरणे unites मिसी जाए हेला verb जथा प्रभाती तारा रवि किरणे verb can come in the beginning in the lyrics, not in the proper sentences. मत गोटे sentence को तार कौन subject object verb बाहर करवा. राम rice eats, so that it's the SOV. Word order is like that. କହିପାରିବ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ନା ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯିବି.
ଯେମିତି କି ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି.
ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ହେଲା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ, ପାଠ ହେଲା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ, ଆଉ ପଢୁଛି ହେଲା ଭର୍ବ. ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି ସବଜେକ୍ଟ, ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଭର୍ବ. ତେଣୁ ସବୁ ଗୁଡାକ ହେଲା ଭର୍ବ ଫାଇନାଲ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଫାଇନାଲ ରେ ଆସିବ. ତେଣୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ.
ପାଠଟା କଣ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆସିବ?
ପାଠଟା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ, ଆବଷ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ନାଉନ. ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି ନାଉନ, ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ନାଉନ, ସେଇଟା ପାଠଟା ହେଲା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ରେ ଆସିବ. ଆବଷ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ନାଉନ. ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ଭଲଟା ଆସିବ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ରେ, ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. କାରଣ ଗୋଟେ ନାଉନ ହେଲା, ନାଉନ କୁ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଟା ମଡିଫାଇ କରିପାରିବ. ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ଖରାପ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁନାହିଁ. ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁନାହିଁ. ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢୁନାହିଁ ମାନେ ଭର୍ବ ରେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଆସିଲା, ନେଗେଟିଭ ମାର୍କର. ପଢୁନାହିଁ. ମୁଁ ତା ଠାରୁ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ତା ଠାରୁ ମାନେ କମ୍ପାରେଟିଭ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଆସିଲା, ତା ଠାରୁ, ତାର ଠାରୁ ମୁଁ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ମୁଁ ତା ଠାରୁ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛି. ଭଲ ପାଠ ହେଲା ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ, ମାନେ ଭଲ ହେଲା ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପାଠ ହେଲା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ. ହେଲା word order ହେଲା. ନା ଆଉ କିଛି ଡାଉଟ? ଆଉ କିଛି ଡାଉଟ ଯଦି ପଚାର, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ.
ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଯେମିତି କି ମୁଁ ସେ ଦୁଇଟା ବିଷୟରେ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢି ପାରେନି. ତ
ମୁଁ
ତାର
ସେ
କେମିତି
ଦୁଇଟା ବିଷୟରେ, ମୁଁ ଲେଖେ ମୁଁ ସେ ଦୁଇଟା ବିଷୟରେ ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢି ପାରେନି. ଆଚ୍ଛା, ସେ, अच्छा ये करते हैं. एटा तो सेंटेंस मु से दुईटा विषय रे भल पाठ पढ़ी पारेनी मु हेला सब्जेक्ट से दुईटा विषय रे सेटा गोटे नाउन फ्रेज अछि से दुईटा विषय रे व्हिच डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव एंड न्यूमेरल एंड विषय रे हेला गोटे विषय रे भल पाठ पढ़ी पारेनी विषय रे भल पाठ विषय रे हेला एडवर्बियल एंड भल एडजेक्टिव एंड पाठ पाठ हला नाउन भल पाठ पढ़ी पारेनी पढ़ी पढ़ी हला वर्ब आउ पारेनी हला मॉडल वर्ब से जो लाइट वर्ब आसुची पढ़ी पारेनी सेटा हला लाइट वर्ब पढ़ी पारेनी पढ़ीबा पढ़ीबाटा हला मेन वर्ब एंड पारेनी काम करि पारेनी मो पारिबाटा हला गोटे लाइट वर्ब नेगेटिव पारेनी नेगेटिव मु से दुईटा विषय रे मु हेली प्रोनाउन आउ से दुईटा विषय रे से नुहे से प्रोनाउन नुहे एटा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन सेई दुईटा विषय रे भल पाठ पढ़ी पारेनी लिखि देबे एटा
ପାଠଟା ଏଠି ନାଉନ୍
प्रोनाउन
ଅଛି ନା
हां
ପାଠଟା ଏଠି ନାଉନ୍ ହବ
हां पाठटा हला नाउन सेई दुईटा विषय रे डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव ओके डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव दुईटा नंबर आउ विषय रे एंड विषय भी गोटे नाउन आ गोटे हला लोकेटिव विषय रे विषयटा गोटे नाउन प्लस अधिकरण कारक सेटा हला अधिकरण कारक रे ठारे विषय रे लोकेटिव भल पाठ एडजेक्टिव एंड नाउन पढ़ी पारेनी वर्ब आउ मॉडल वर्ब नुहे लाइट वर्ब एटा लाइट वर्ब आउ नेगेशन मु सेई दुईटा विषय रे भल पाठ पढ़ी पारेनी हैला
यस मैम
ओके ओके थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी
मैम ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଯେମିତି କି ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତାହା କେବେ କହିପାରୁନି
मु जहा कहिबाकु चाहूची ताहा केबे कहि पारुनी ओहो हो मु जहा कहिबाकु चाहूची ତାହା ଯାହା ଚାହା ହେଲା ରିଲେଟିଭ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯାହା ତାହା ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେଟିଭ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ ତାହା ଯାହା କୋରିଲେଟିଭ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତାହା କେବେ କହିପାରୁନି ତେଣୁ ଏଗୁଡାକ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ହେଲା ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ରିଲେଟିଭ କ୍ଲଜ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେଟିଭ କ୍ଲଜ ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା କୋରିଲେଟିଭ କ୍ଲଜ ତାହା କେବେ କହିପାରୁନି ତାହା କେବେ ହେଲା ନେଭର ଆଣ୍ଡ କହିପାରୁନି କହିବାଟା ମେନ୍ ଭର୍ବ ପାରୁନିଟା ହେଲା ଲାଇଟ ଭର୍ବ ପାରୁନି ଆଉ ନେଗେସନ ପାରୁନି କହିବାକୁ
ଆଉ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ହଁ
କହିବାକୁ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜିଟିଭ ଭର୍ବ ନା ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ନନ୍ ଫାଇନାଇଟ ଭର୍ବ କହିବା ହେଲା କହିବାକୁ ହେଲା ଇନଫିନିଟ ନନ୍ ଫାଇନାଇଟ ଭର୍ବ ସୋ କହିବା ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ଭର୍ବ ତାପରେ କୁ ହେଇଛି ତାପରେ ପ୍ଲସ କୁ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ହେଲା ଫାଇନାଇଟ ଭର୍ବ ତେଣୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଗୋଟେ ରିଲେଟିଭ କ୍ଲଜ ମୁଁ ଯାହା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତାହା କେବେ କହିପାରୁନି ମୁଁ ହେଲା ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ନନ୍ ଫାଇନାଇଟ କ୍ଲଜ
ଓକେ
हेलो
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
हेलो हाँ
ହଁ
मैडम आमे तो एगुड़ा सब पोस्टिंग करवा तेणु पान टाक अनुसार जोटा आईएलएसआई प्रोजेक्ट रे करूथली 12 वर्ष तले तापरे एबे अनुसार भी सेटा करूची बर्तमान शाला महाभारत करूची लेकिन पान टाक अनुसार आमे जदी टैगिंग करवा